What's going on? In today's episode, we are out here in Plano, Texas, servicing the food truck for Southern Gourmet. It's a really good soul food spot. I done tried almost everything on the menu. It's out. If you're ever in Plano or even Dallas, it's worth the drive. All right, pretty much we're gonna be doing an oil change, a multi-point inspection, and replacing the wiper blades on this. This is actually a 99 Chevy box truck, and it has a 6.5 diesel engine, turbo diesel. Holds about 8 quarts of oil, and it's pretty simple to work on overall. And this engine takes 8 quarts of 15W40. All right, first I'm gonna lift up each side and kind of check the wheels for play or any kind of loose suspension components. That's what I like to see. All right, for that oil drain bolt, it's just going to pretty much be like a 15 millimeter, and your oil filter is right there. It's a ST5 or PH5 if it's Fram. Or what I'm gonna do too is move that jack over. That way, if it comes out at a trajectory, I can minimize the mess I make. Try not to spill a drop. So there we go, bub. All right, while this is draining, I'm gonna have that new filter prime, so I'm gonna fill it up with some oil. It's on there tight. All right, we add the oil, all 8 quarts. And these wipers, they look pretty simple to replace. Just a conventional hook on. So I'm gonna add the last 4 quarts, start it up, and it'll be good to go. So this is getting ready to go to the Cowboys game, Cowboys and Saints.
Yes, sir.
That's all right. They got new wipers. Oh, there must be something to fix the cracks. Got new wipers, got fresh oil. Checked all the suspension components, checked the brakes, checked the drive axles. Had a small exhaust leak, but nothing too major. Other than that, we are good to go.